Hello students, myself Mrs. Tanuja Dhiren Yadnik. Today we are going to talk about the activity of Geography Standard 7th. In this video, I am going to give you some activities which you are going to write on the project papers, and afterwards you are going to keep that papers in a plastic file, or you can make separate activity book also. You need to decorate it properly. These activities will be based on lesson number 1 to 6. I am going to give you total 7 to 8 activities, and out of that 7 to 8 activities you are going to do any 5 activities of your choice. So first activity I am going to give you on lesson number 2. Listen it very carefully. Collect paper cuttings about the eclipses and paste them in a notebook. Second, using the internet, panchang and calendar, collect the information about the eclipses that are likely to occur this year. Third, observe the responses of the birds and animals at the time of an event of solar eclipse and record your observations. This activity is on lesson number 2. Now I am going to give you the activity which is based on lesson number 3. This will be number 4 activity. Collect information from the internet about how electricity is generated from the waves. Find places where such electricity is being generated. Now I am going to give you the activity which is based on lesson number 4. Prepare an informative chart showing details of temperature zones on the earth. Next activity. Color the different deserts on the outline map of the world and prepare an index on the map. And for this purpose you need to use the map, that is also world map. Now activity based on the lesson number 5. Using the internet, obtain information, photos and maps of the recent cyclone that arrived at India's eastern coast. Write the social and economic effects of that cyclone. Now, next activity, prepare a chart giving information about cyclones. Next activity, prepare a chart giving information of major local winds in the world. Now, the activities which are going to be based on lesson number 6. That is, using the internet, check the information given in this lesson. Collect pictures of the flora and fauna and the human life of the various natural regions. Make a collage by pasting these pictures on the world map. Next, using the internet and other sources, choose one country each from any two natural regions. Collect some information, photographs, images, etc. regarding these countries. Then make a collage using the following points: name of the country, location and extent, climate, flora, fauna, human life, costumes, occupations, and special features. Arrange an exhibition of your collage posters in the classroom and make a presentation using them. This exhibition work we can start when the school will get reopened. Till that time, you just make the different column like name of the country, location and extent, climate, flora and fauna, human life, costumes, occupations, special features, etc. So these are the activities which I had given you. Okay, among all these activities, children, you are going to make any five activities of your choice. Okay, either you are going to do this activity on the project papers and afterwards you are going to file these project papers in plastic files. Otherwise, you can also make 100 pages register notebook, okay, register book. In that, you are going to do these activities. And when school will reopen, that time we are going to check these five activities, and these activities are having marks. So do it properly, do the proper decoration, use color pencils, sketch pens, colors, stick the colorful photographs, use proper use of maps wherever it is required. Okay, you have to make it as much as nice decorative as you can. Okay, this is all about the activities, and we are going to check it very soon. Till that time, bye bye, take care of yourself, stay home, stay happy, bye bye, thank you.